Hi, hello friends, welcome to the home recipes. Today we are going to make RagiCool. RagiCool is very healthy for our body and it helps a lot with weight loss. It also helps to keep our body cool. Okay, now let's see how we can make it this RagiCool in an easy way. First, I am taking 1 cup of ragi flour. For this 1 cup of ragi flour, add half cup of water and mix it well. We need to mix it to this consistency without any lumps. After mixing well, now let's take a heavy bottomed vessel. Place the vessel on the stove and for 1 cup of ragi flour, add 3 cup of water. Once the water starts heating, I am adding half a tablespoon of rock salt. If you want, you can also use regular table salt. After the water starts boiling, add the mixtured ragi mixture slowly into the water. Pour little by little and keep mixing continuously. That way lumps will not form. Keep adding little by little and mix properly. Once it gets mixed well and cooked nicely, our RagiCool will be ready. Now look at this consistency. At this stage, we need to cook it on medium flame for about 12 to 15 minutes. I kept mixing it continuously for around 12 minutes on medium flame. Now you can see the ragi is ready. How do we know it is cooked perfectly? Just dip your hand in water and touch the ragi mixture. If it doesn't stick to your hand, that means the ragi is cooked to the correct consistency. Now we will close it with a lid. You can even prepare and drink this today itself, but if you drink it the next day, it gets slightly fermented and becomes even more healthy. The next day morning, take as much RagiCool as you need after taking the required amount. I am adding 1 cup of curd. Next, I am adding a small piece of ginger and 1 green chilli, nicely crushed slightly. Then I am adding around 10 small onions. After that, add a few curry leaves and 2 coriander leaves. Finally, add salt if you need how much. Now add water according to the consistency you like, whether you want to thin or thick, and mix it well. Mixing it with your hand make it easier and the taste will also be much better. See, I have mixed everything well with my hand. Now the RagiCool is ready. That's all. It is now ready to drink. This is very helpful for weight loss and also helps to keep the body cool during summer. Try this healthy and refreshing RagiCool at home. Subscribe the Home Recipes channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.